In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Calendar step by step so you can keep your schedule organized, separate projects, and manage different parts of your life more easily. Whether you want a calendar for work, school, personal events, or a specific team, this is a simple process that only takes a minute once you know where to click. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and sign in with the Google account where you want the new calendar created. Once you're on the calendar page, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a section called Other Calendars. This is where Google lets you add or create additional calendars beyond your main one. Next, click the plus sign next to Other Calendars. A small menu will appear, and from that menu, choose Create New Calendar. This is the option you want if you're making a brand new calendar from scratch rather than subscribing to someone else's. After that, Google will open the calendar creation form. Here, you'll need to enter the details for your new calendar. Start by typing in a name. Make this clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to use multiple calendars. You can also add a description if you want to include extra notes about what the calendar is for. Then select your time zone. This is important because it makes sure your events show up at the correct times and helps avoid confusion later, especially if you travel or work with people in different regions. Once all your details are filled in, take a quick moment to review everything. If the name, description, and time zone look correct, click Create Calendar to save it. Google will now generate the calendar for you automatically. After it's created, your new calendar will appear on the left side of Google Calendar under My Calendars. From there, you can click into it, change settings, share it with others, add events, or customize notifications whenever you're ready, and that's it. You've successfully created a Google Calendar. It's a fast and useful way to keep your schedule organized and separate different types of events into their own place. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.